Bonjour et bienvenue à Language Place avec Judith. Aujourd'hui nous allons apprendre une lecture simple. Today we are going to have a simple text in French. And on our board we have les salutations, that is greetings. So I'm first of all going to take the whole text. I'm going to read it and ensure you listen to it properly. Bonjour monsieur, comment allez-vous? Je m'appelle Alain et j'ai 20 ans. J'ai un frère et une sœur. Mon frère s'appelle Yannick et ma sœur s'appelle Flore. J'ai aussi des parents. Mon père s'appelle Joseph et ma mère Angeline. J'habite à Douala avec ma famille. Good. So this time, the second part, we are actually going to look at the words in this text and we're going to explain them and also give their meanings in English. But before I continue, the objective of this text is to help us to pronounce French words and to also know how to introduce yourself in French. So let's take it. Bonjour, monsieur. We have monsieur for ça or Mr. And when we were learning our salutation, that is greetings, we saw bonjour for good morning. So we have bonjour here, which is good morning, sir. Comment allez-vous? How are you? How are you doing? Now we learned a formal way and informal way. Here we have a formal way because of vous. Okay, we said the pronoun vous is used for formal greetings. So comment, which is how, allez-vous, comment allez-vous, how are you? Je m'appelle Alain. We have our verb here, which is appel. In the infinitive form, we have appeler. Appeler, which ends with er. Verb of first group, appeler. Okay, this is our verb. So when it's been conjugated, we have m'appelle for first person. Okay, je m'appelle Alain. That is, my name is Alain. Et j'ai 20 ans. Et j'ai 20 ans. Here we have our age. Age 20 as cardinal number is 20 in English. So, j'ai 20 ans. I'm 20. J'ai un frère et une sœur. We have our verb here, which is verb avoir. Avoir, which is to have. Verb avoir. To have. So when you conjugate it, that means j'ai, tu as, il a. Okay, j'ai un frère, I have a brother, et une sœur. Now, frère is a masculine word, that's why you use this article, un. And sœur is a feminine word, so you use une as the article. So, j'ai un frère et une sœur. I have a brother and a sister. Mon frère s'appelle Yannick. So we can see this noun is reoccurring here, which is frère, my brother. So s'appelle, we've seen appel here, which is the name. That means my brother's name, more for my brother's name is Yannick. Et ma sœur s'appelle Flore. The same thing for my sister, okay? Sister is reoccurring here, okay, here. Ma sœur, s'appelle, appelle, okay? So my sister's name is Flore. J'ai aussi des parents. Now we've already seen this, which is the verb avoir. J'ai aussi means also. And des parents, good. Des parents, you can repeat after me, des parents. Des parents means parents, my parents. So I also have, okay, our verb. I also have parents. J'ai aussi des parents. Mon père, père, which is father. My, we've seen mine here before. So my father's name s'appelle Joseph, just like Joseph in English. Et ma mère, mother's name is Angeline. So you can either say ma mère s'appelle also, just like you can say ma mère et ma mère Angeline. Because you started talking about your father's name, so they would definitely know that your mother's name is also Angeline. J'habite à Douala avec ma famille. Habite means to live. I live. Okay, j'habite. When we're looking at this verb, this is the verb in the sentence. Is the verb of the first group, habiter. Okay, habiter, which the H is silent. So it's not habiter, but it's habiter. J'habite à Douala, which is the place where I stay, the name of where I stay. And here is the capital of Senegal. Avec ma famille, which is my family, okay? Because famille is a feminine word, you use ma instead of mon. Père is a masculine word, that's why we use mon. So now we are going to take the text all over again, but you can repeat after me. Bonjour, monsieur. Comment allez-vous? Je m'appelle Alain et j'ai 20 ans. J'ai un frère et une sœur. Mon frère s'appelle Yannick et ma sœur s'appelle Flore. J'ai aussi des parents. Mon père s'appelle Joseph et ma mère Angeline. J'habite à Douala avec ma famille. Very good. So you can take it on your own. In another way, you can take it on your own, you can read it on your own. That's what I mean. So, merci et nous nous verrons dans notre prochaine leçon. Au revoir.